This video was developed by XPM Consulting. XPM is a project management, agile, ITIL and leadership training company. There is frequently some confusion regarding the meaning of scope. The word itself derives from the Latin scopus, which stands for aim, or object of attention. When you are defining the project aim, or object of attention, you must consider two separate dimensions: the product that you are delivering, and the work that you need to complete. Product scope describes the specifications, or features of the project's product, or products. It describes, from the customer perspective, what the project products are, and how they must perform. The product scope is established through product requirements. Project scope describes all the work required to deliver the project's product, with the agreed-upon specifications. Through a combination of a scope statement, WBS, and WBS dictionary, the customer and project management team establish an agreement on the work required. For a better understanding of these concepts, let's apply them to a specific example. Imagine that you are in Egypt, 4,000 years ago, and you have just been nominated to manage the construction of a pyramid, to protect the pharaoh's tomb from raiders. To define the product scope, you would need the pharaoh to establish critical characteristics of the pyramid such as location, dimensions, architectural model, number of chambers and galleries, architectural elements, size of construction block, or type of limestone used. Defining the pyramid's product scope is definitely important, but is not enough to manage the project. You cannot rely on product characteristics alone to estimate durations, develop a schedule, prepare the budget, assign responsibilities or identify risks. You will need to reach an agreement with your customer on how the product scope is translated into project scope. That agreement will establish the work required to complete the project, including designing the building, carving stones from quarries, transporting stones, carving and polishing building blocks, leveling the foundation, building construction ramp, raising blocks, leveling the subsequent tiers, filling the holes between blocks and trimming the outer surface. At the end of the project there will be a single pyramid, so product scope and project scope are two sides of the same coin that must be managed in a coordinated way. This video was developed by XPM Consulting. XPM is a project management, agile, ITIL and leadership training company. Thank you for watching. We hope you found the video interesting, and if you did, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel.